If you want to take screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, you have two main ways to do so. The first one is to make a gesture with your hand or your palm. You can swipe from left to right or from right to the left side of the phone, so something like this. And there we go, we have captured the screenshot. However, this gesture can be also disabled, so if it doesn't work for you, then you need to go to settings, scroll down to advanced features, and then we want to go to motions and gestures, and here we have palm swipe to capture. This option needs to be enabled if you want to use the gesture screenshot option. And the second method is to go to quick settings, and over here you might be able to find take screenshot. However, by default it is not added, so you want to tap on this pen icon in the top right corner and press edit, and then in available buttons you should be able to find the take screenshot button somewhere, so you can tap on it in order to add it to the list, and you can press down twice in the top right corner. And if you press take screenshot button from quick settings, the quick settings panel will hide itself in order to capture the screenshot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!